ProFusionVideoExpo.com.
We're all familiar with the German brand Zeiss. This is Rich. Rich, tell us what Zeiss is bringing to the table here at ProFusion.
We've got basically three different lens lines that we're showing. We have lenses for f-mount, which have been popular with the depth of field adapters for companies like Redrock and Lettuce and Cinebait. And then over the last year, we've introduced a line of EF mount lenses very similar. Zeiss right now is the only company making prime manual focus lenses, which are very popular for video applications using DSLR cameras. You want a lens that has basically very long focus throws and good focus resistance. And so our lenses have been well received for something like this. As you can see, from the cutaway of our lens, we drive our lens elements with traditional helicoids. So you basically have long focus rotations and very easy to go back and hit your focus marks again. So you have consistency, you have positive stops with the infinity marks, you're not focusing beyond infinity. So it gives a filmmaker a lot more control of their focus, which is really important when you're using a camera with a big chip and it's inherently a shallow depth of field. Well, we're bringing out new, this lens was introduced at the NAB show. So this is a true cine-style lens designed to fit DSLR camera. It's called a Compact Prime CP.2. We have 7 different focal lengths out right now. We start shipping next week. 2 more lenses coming in October. The lenses all feature the same barrel dimensions. They all have 300-degree focus throws, so these are manual focus lenses. Manual aperture in T-stops, so you have manual aperture control on the lens instead of through the camera. This allows a filmmaker to do basically aperture pulls or iris pulls as they shoot. 14-blade aperture. And what's really key here is an interchangeable lens mount. This EF mount can be removed. I can install an F mount or a PL mount on the same lens. One thing's for certain is that cameras will change. Technology is going to change more in the future. But you can invest in a set of lenses and basically change out the lens mount as your camera changes.
How does Zeiss sort of stay on top of the lens game and continue to manufacture cutting-edge lenses?
Well, this is our 120th year that we've been manufacturing camera lenses. So we've been doing it for a very long time.
Happy anniversary.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. The company itself has been in business since mid-1840s, and we're an optics company. That is our specialty. So we stay involved through really cutting-edge designs. And there's really 3 things that sets our lenses apart. It's like a 3-legged stool. So you've got good design, great raw materials, and then the ability to construct the lens so that it meets the spec of the design and does it consistently from lens to lens to lens.
Why was it so important for Zeiss to come here to ProFusion today?
Well, this is an important part of the market for us. We've been doing cine lenses for decades. Our Master Prime and Ultra Primes really set the standard for high-end lenses. These new lenses, our SLR lenses and the Compact Primes, gives us a chance to talk to the entry-level market. So it's the independent filmmaker, it's the film student, it's the still photographer moving into the video part of the business. And this is why a show like ProFusion has been so great for us, because it really allows us to talk to a kind of someone moving into this part of the market who's looking for high-quality lenses.
So I guess you're getting a wide range of abilities and people that are coming to talk to you.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm talking to still photographers who are moving into this. Basically, they own the equipment, now they want to add some new applications to their toolbox. I've talked to wedding photographers here at the show who are looking to, again, supplement what they do with some video. And I'm talking to legitimate filmmakers who basically are coming to learn about the new technology.
Well, thanks so much. It was great meeting you.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thanks so much.
The ProFusion Video Expo is sponsored by VizTech. Visit us online at viztech.ca.